So, and the last one, when we go up to the head, you are deleting in the brain. You are deleting in the brain. So your hand go up, delete, you looking left and right. So your eye actually move between the brain, left brain, right brain, and after that you spiral clockwise, the same. Clockwise is from the right down to the left to the top, so clock, spinning, okay? So you're deleting the brain, okay? And this one is really good, you know. Many people really do it, and they don't believe that, hey, it's so simple to get rid of so many emotional. Yeah. So that now we understand more about the Western. They discover a lot of olden things, but they haven't get the complete practice. Okay? Okay. Lung. Smile to your lungs. Picture your lung and large intestine. So we're looking to the left lung, and turn your eye to the right lung. Left 1, right 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Rest. Now spiral from right to left. One spiral. 1. Eye have to spin. Very important is your eye. Okay, everybody understand that? Without the eye, you cannot. It's not working. Okay, so your eyes actually follow it. The eye. You see the eye? The eye follow the whole lung. Like in this one you see here, the hand spinning and the eye are spiral along. The eye spiral around the whole lung. So you see, 1, eye looking right into the lung from the left lung going down and looking to the right lung in the bottom and come up to the top of the right lung and go to the top of the left lung and going down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Smile, smile, smile. Very important. Smile and spinning. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now they do the sound. Inhale. Look up. And slowly turn your palm down. Lower your shoulder. Lower your elbow. And slowly put on the knee and rock. Relax and let go. Forgive, forget, and let go. Let go your sadness, depression. Just now we delete the extreme sadness. Again. Left, right, count 18 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Eye looking into the lung. Just keep on looking. You don't see anything, don't worry. Just keep on looking inside, turn inside, smell inside, smile inside. Turn all the senses inside. Smell, look, taste, feel. smelling it inside your lung. 18. Now spiral. 1. Eye spinning. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now inhale, raise the hand up, look up. And now, holding on your knee again, rock. Relax and let go. Forgive, forget, and let go. Rock, rock, rock from your, wave your tail, connecting to the earth. Wave your tail, connecting to the earth. I tell you, it's really work. You do for a while, and after that you say, I have no more emotion. You're going to get it, you know. And you, when one day you keep on let go, let go, let go, and one day you say, I have nothing else to let go more now. Now you get it. You can let them go. Okay? Now, delete the brain, the folder. You're already in the folder of the sadness and depression, looking left and right. Eye movement is the key. Looking to the left brain, right brain, left brain, right brain. It's just your eye looking backward and inside to your brain and looking left and right. And you feel your eye are moving in the brain. And we're going to spiral from the right ear spinning down to the left ears and to the top of the crown. 2. Eye spinning. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Do one more time, the last time. Inhale, raise your hand up, look up. Not too loud, not too loud. Turn your palm down, lower your shoulder. Now, this time, we're going to put back good energy. That's it. And so we're going to be spiral, the same spinning. So remember, the same spinning is so easier. So it's spiral clockwise. So we're going to put back, so the first step, sending love, joy, happiness to the lung and last intestine. So love, your eye spiral, love, joy, happy, appreciation, wrap around the lungs and large intestine. And it activates the courage, the righteous feeling, the sincerity in the lungs. The sincerity in the lung. And rest. Now we are detoxify the lungs. Okay? Now we're going to tonify the lungs. So tonify the lung, you do the same sound, but we breathe them in. So you do the sound. Now you breathe them in the same sound. Feel it go down to your lung. Again, one, inhale. The same sound, but by doing out now, you breathe them in the sound. And you feel it go into your lung. One more time. And you feel it tonify your lungs. It tonify your lung. Okay? And rest. Let's do the crane neck. And let's twist 1, 2, looking left, looking right,